Hello traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the second episode of Charts Breakdown, and in this video I would be analyzing the financial market to see where they'll be heading to in the coming weeks or months. So right here on AUD/USD, AUD/USD is bearish. We're in a downtrend on the monthly time frame, and we have a bearish engulfing candlestick right here. The previous month closed bearish in a downtrend. That is telling me that AUD/USD is coming to this green bar here. But the reason why AUD/USD hasn't gotten to this green bar is because of this orange bar right here, which is acting as support, preventing AUD/USD from getting to the green bar. And on the daily time frame, we have a chart pattern. If you check the previous episode of Chart Breakdown, I drew the waves of the pattern, episode 1. Right here we have an head and shoulder pattern, which this is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder. The market was here in the last chart breakdown video. AUD/USD was around this point when I said that AUD/USD must break below this green bar before we get into a sell trade. But AUD/USD broke below the green bar, we played below it, then we are back in the green zone. As the USD doesn't break above this orange bar, we are still bearish to the downside. My bias is still bearish, so AUD/USD is still in a bearish trend. Euro/USD, on Euro/USD, we are bearish on Euro/USD. Bearish Euro/USD, but what's preventing Euro/USD from falling is this trend line and this orange bar. Now, if you zoom out properly, you see that number one, yes, we're in a downtrend. This was an head and shoulder pattern. This is the left shoulder, this is the head, this is the right shoulder. So basically, price was meant to break below this trend line, but price didn't break below. Price respected the trend line, which is the third touch of the trend line. This is the first touch, this is the second touch, this is the third touch. I've been trying to upload a video on YouTube, but YouTube has been telling me that the video is too long, because I've done some analysis which I recorded saying that this is the third touch of the trend line and price might respect it, but for some reasons I couldn't upload the video because I don't know, YouTube said it was too long. I really don't know what they meant by it was too long. Like, it was just basically 20 minutes video. But anyways, this is the third touch of the trend line. So Euro/USD might push to the upside and it might break to the downside. We really don't know for now. Okay, but with what I'm seeing, Euro/USD is looking bullish. It wants to touch this orange bar that is above. Yeah, but at the same time, it's 50-50. Anything can happen. It can go up, it can come down. There is no clear direction for now. Euro/USD is just ranging. It's been in a range in a very annoying range since 2022, since December 2022. So today is up, tomorrow is down, next tomorrow is up, tomorrow is down. So for now, it looks bullish because it's respecting this trend line. The third touch of the trend line. So Euro/USD is looking bullish. That's for Euro/USD. Gbpusd and Euro/USD, they correlate. So if Euro/USD is bullish, there's an high chance Gbpusd will be bullish. If Euro/USD is bearish, there's an high chance Gbpusd will be bearish. But But for now, on Gbpusd, there is no bias because if you check the higher time frame, we're in a downtrend. But right now, Gbpusd it's in this range right here. It can break to the upside, it can break to the downside. We never can tell for now. So we have to be patient to see the direction it breaks out to. If it breaks to the upside, then we can look for a bullish setup. If it breaks to the downside, then we'll be looking for a bearish setup. But for now, there's no direction for now. So let's leave Gbpusd alone. USDJPY. USDJPY has been bullish right from time, but USDJPY gave us the first top, it came down, it gave us the second top, and it pushed the JPY to the downside. The reason why USDJPY did not fall was because of this counter trend line, which has 3 touches, 1, 2, and this was the third touch that pushed it up. It even gave us a bullish engulfing on a weekly time frame. Remember, we are in an uptrend. So that's the reason why USDJPY gave us this bullish move, because number one, we're in an uptrend, and number two, it respected this trend line here. That's the reason for this bullish move. So for now, USDJPY is I would say 50-50 because it's already at a resistance zone. Now, yes, USDJPY is bullish and an uptrend, but we can't say we'll get into a buy trade just because we're in an uptrend. Because if we say USDJPY will go up, it can give us a triple bottom and fall to the downside. If we say it will give us a triple bottom and fall to the downside, it can decide to blow through this resistance zone and go to the upside. So for now, it's basically 50-50. We have to be patient. We have to see what the market wants to do. So if it breaks above the resistance zone, then we'll get in a buy. And if it respects the resistance zone and holds below the resistance zone, then we'll be getting in for a sell trade. But for now, there is no bias. So just have to wait. On gold, if you check the previous episode of Chart Breakdown, episode 1, I analyzed gold and I said we're in an uptrend in gold. For gold, we're in an uptrend. And number two, secondly, I'm seeing a chart pattern that is, I'm seeing an inverse head and shoulder on the weekly time frame. Like it's a massive inverse head and shoulder, which is in sync. Inverse head and shoulder is a bullish pattern, and we are in a bullish trend. So all the pattern, all the indicators is telling me that it's bullish, that gold is bullish. But we can't get into a buy trade till we break above this green bar. Once we break above this green zone, then we can get into a buy trade. But for now, we'll just have to be patient, because if we can't force the market. We can't say, okay, because it's giving us an inverse head and shoulder, blah blah blah, then we get into a buy trade. This is a major zone on a monthly time frame. Gold has respected this zone for years. It respected in 22, it respects in 2023, now it's respecting it in 2024. It has been respecting the zone, so it even respected it in 2020. So it's not going to be an easy break. It can never be an easy break, because that's a very major zone. So it will take time for gold to break above the zone. Once gold breaks above the zone and closes like a bullish candlestick, then I can get into a buy trade to the upside. But for now, I'll just sit on my hands, and there is no direction for now on gold. I know people are getting into trades, but no, to be on the safer side, I'll just leave gold for now and trade other pair, because this doesn't look like anything is happening. Like, this is just a mess. This is a very serious mess. Since December last year, this has been a mess. Many people have blown their accounts. Many people have blown their accounts in this during this period, especially newbies, because they are not seeing it from the bigger picture. So I'll be patient. I'll wait for price to break above and close. Once price is above, don't get into the trade yet. You have to wait for it to close. Why? Because look at this one. Yes, price broke above, but it didn't close above the zone. It came back in. So if you had bought just because it was above, you would have gotten stopped out because it went back in. So wait for it to break above and close. Then we can now get into a buy trade. But for now, there is no direction. I don't see any sell setup on gold. So all what I'm saying is a bullish setup, and now is the market is not ready to be bullish. So I have to wait. So AUD is bearish. So let me recap. AUD 1 minute, guys. I'm waiting for my chart to load. Okay, AUD is bearish. Euro-USD is is bullish. Yeah, Euro-USD is bullish. Gbpusd indecision. USGPY is still 50-50. No direction for now. And gold is bullish, even though there is no direction for now. But overall, we're bullish. So thank you for joining me on this episode. I'll be dropping more episodes soon. As these trades play out, I'll be dropping more episode. I'm sorry I haven't dropped an episode in a long time, a video in a long time. Whenever I try to upload a video, YouTube always tell me that the video is too long, so they don't upload it for me. I don't know why. So I pray this video is not too long, so it can get on YouTube. Thank you for joining me, and peace.